How to use Facebook for beginners. Hi guys, in today's episode I'll be showing you the ways to use Facebook for beginners. Now if you're completely new to Facebook and you're interested in Facebook, what you'll need to do is, in order to begin with, first of all you'll have to install the application. So for that, head over to your respective Play Store, and then on the search box go ahead and type in Facebook, and tap the install button in order to install or download the app. In my case, I've already installed the application. Once the application is completely installed, go ahead and tap the open button. So as soon as you open your Facebook application, you'll be able to see the similar interface as mine. But in my case, I already have multiple accounts, so I have a 3 different saved login info right on top. So then, to begin with, you need to tap on create new account in order to begin with creating a new account. But if you already have an account, then you can also log in by tapping on login into another account. All you have to do is provide in your credential, and you'll be able to log in. Now to begin with creating your account, go ahead and tap on create new account. Go ahead and read all of the terms and conditions. Now to begin with, you'll be asked to provide in your name. So for that, provide the last name as well as the first name. After you've done that, you'll be asked to provide in your date of birth or to verify your date of birth, and click the set button. Once you've done that, next page it's going to ask you to categorize your gender type. So go ahead and select the one and tap the next button. For the contact details, you'll be asked to provide in either your phone number or an email address. So either way, the procedure is going to remain the same, so select either one of it and tap the next button. Since you're creating an account, it's going to ask you to create a password as well, so go ahead and create a new password. Once done creating a password, it's going to take a while, so all you have to do is wait patiently, and it's going to direct you to the home page. If you are directed to the home page, then the interface will look something like this. Now all you have to do is just add some people and then you need to customize your profile ID, such as add a bio, and then post a profile picture, all sort of things, and then you can explore Facebook. So in this way you can use Facebook for beginners guide. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.